Look at all of these awesome Kontrol Freek products. We have 4 different Kontrol Freek Thumbstick extenders and a whole stack of stickers from Kontrol Freek that we'll be giving away in honor of Lord KARNAGE's defeat of the alien empire in the future. This is the first Lord KARNAGE giveaway from Classic Game Room, and you can win all of these, which have appeared on the Classic Game Room review, by finding the Lord KARNAGE code, which is embedded in the first 30 seconds of a Classic Game Room video. And you must email that code to lordkarnage@inacom.com. Here's a hint. The game has something to do with airplanes. The first person to email the code to us wins all of this, including the stickers. Go get 'em!